Okay, in this video I'm going to explain expert mode in Trainyard. So if you go to options, normally it says complete game to unlock expert mode. So to get expert mode normally you have to solve 100 puzzles in the main game. However, there's actually a secret way to enable expert mode right from the beginning if you want. If you go to unlock all puzzles, you can unlock all your puzzles, which also gives you the ability to turn on expert mode. You can then turn it on and re-lock your puzzles, and expert mode will now be on, but your puzzles won't be unlocked. You'll be completely back to normal. So if we go ahead and start the game, I'll show you what expert mode actually gives you. So you can actually see it right here. You get a track count and a journey count. So as you can see, the track count is made up of a number, a plus sign, and then another number. And the journey count is just a number. So let's talk about track count first. Anytime you're drawing track when expert mode is on, in the top right of the screen, right up here, you'll see the track count of whatever you're drawing. The first number is the number of whole squares that you're taking up with track. So the number of squares that have any track in them at all. So in this case, there are 28 squares that have track in them. The second number is the number of squares that have two pieces of track in them. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 squares with 2 pieces of track. If I come down here and draw some more, you'll see that that number is still 28, but now it's plus 8 because 4 more squares now have 2 pieces of track in them. Okay, so the next number is journey count. Now the way journey count works is it's easiest to demonstrate if I just draw a loop here. It's not actually time, but it's the amount of steps that each train has passed. So every time, if I put this on really slow here, you'll see each time the train passes the line between 2 squares, the journey count goes up. And a lot of players actually like doing efficient solutions where the journey count is as low as possible, but they also like doing solutions where the journey count is as high as possible. And there's certain things you can do, like doing little loops like this, that allow you to create solutions that are actually quite long. But one of the things is that when you put the game up to max speed, the journey count doesn't actually increase that quickly. The game's still going pretty slowly. So one of the things you can do, and this is a secret feature, is that you can hold this bottom left area and the game will go much faster. You can see the journey count in the top right is counting up a lot quicker than normal. So if I let go and I press it again, you can see it's going a lot faster when I do that. Now another secret thing is that you can actually double tap that area, and that goes into what I like to call warp mode. And now you can see the journey count is increasing way faster than it ever was before. And in this warp mode, it's basically going over 100 times faster than normal. And I turn off all the sound effects and all the particle effects when this mode is on, so that it's really as efficient as possible, and all the game is doing is running this as quick as possible. Now, if you have an older iOS device, it may not actually be able to run this at full speed, so you have to really be careful and kind of start it off slow and then go faster. But you do that just by double tapping the status area in the bottom left. So that's about it. That's expert mode, and that's how you can make the game run a lot faster, so you can make solutions that have really high journey counts. Thanks for watching.